What's up guys, POG here and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the new iPhone 7, as well take a look at it and try that new home button. So on the side right here, we only have a logo of an iPhone. It doesn't say anything like what phone this is. So the only way you can judge it is by just looking at the front here. On the bottom here, we have the Apple logo, as well this green plastic here that we need to rip off to open it. And if I look on the top here, we have another Apple logo. As well, down here, we see the model of the one I have. So this is the iPhone 7 32GB. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up for the first time. I'm just gonna grab this and rip it off just like this. Oh wow, that was nice. I felt awesome. And that's pretty much that. Let's move this aside. Okay guys, so let me just go ahead and open up the box for the first time. It slides fairly easily. Usually with the older ones, it takes forever to take this top off. So it just nice and smoothly just comes off like that. Awesome. As well, we have some hard cardboard here. I don't see any protectiveness here. So next here we have is designed by Apple in California. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. That's pretty much it. We get the some language there. Welcome to iPhone. We get the SIM card remover there. We get the warranty, looks like, as well 2 Apple stickers. Right over here we have the iPhone 7. Let's go ahead and take this out. Wow, this looks awesome. And then we have the power adapter. As well, we got the earbuds. These are Lightning, and here we have the adapter here that you pretty much use your 3.5mm jack. As well, if I open this up, here we have the new Lightning earbuds. The last thing we have in the package is the Lightning cable. Okay guys, so here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and take this plastic off just like this. Wow. And I have to say, a lot of people say this one looks like exactly like an iPhone 6s, but looking at this dark black, the new color black, it just looks awesome. And I really like the matte finish. I was initially thinking of the jet black, but I'm really happy choosing the matte black instead. So here we have the power buttons. As you can see, the antennas are actually transformed there. So we got the 12 megapixel camera, the quad flash here. We got the silencer over here. As well, we got the volume up and down. Here's the home button that does nothing. Wow, this is weird. Here on the bottom, we got the 2 speakers. I guess this is a microphone here. I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comments below. But I know the stereo comes from here. We also got the Lightning port to charge as well as listen music. We also get the SIM tray and the power button. So let's go ahead and turn this on for the first time. Okay guys, so I got into the hello screen. Let's go ahead and... Oh wow, it wants you to press the home button instead. And that felt like a click, I'm not even kidding. Let's go ahead and press English. We're gonna choose Canada. And I'm gonna connect into my Wi-Fi network. Okay guys, so after inserting the SIM card, it's gonna ask me to enable my location and services. I'm gonna click Set up Touch ID now. So let's go ahead and try this. It's gonna ask me to create a password. I'm gonna go ahead and click as a setup as a new iPhone. I'm not going to log in yet. Now it's going to ask me to set up Siri. Hey Siri. There we go. Now we have Hey Siri done. I was kind of scared it's going to turn on. Okay, now we're going to click Don't Send. Here we go. And get started. Oh, this is the new home button. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! I'm gonna leave it at 3. That felt like a real button. I'm gonna click standard, because that's what I prefer. Next. And here we have the new iPhone. Now let's try the Hey Siri. How are you?
I feel good.
Beautiful. I can notice right off the bat the speakers are really good. And missing off the headphone jack, I don't know. I don't really care because I hardly use my other headphones. I always use the one that came in the box. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and a quick look video. If you guys enjoyed it, please click that like button and subscribe to be updated for the next unboxing or any other videos. Once again, I'm Arsen and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.